Hello, my name is Iuliia Kravtsova. I came from Poland, Poznań, Collegium Da Vinci University. Yes, I absolutely like it, and when you see people sitting around comfortably cooperating together in one area from different continents and countries, it's all awesome. Yes, and as you probably heard, I come from private university from Poland, and being private gives us lots of advantage. We are more flexible, we are modern, we follow the trends, and we also create the trends. I think that this event is a great opportunity to meet each other face to face. As I've told, there was a long journey before it happened, and right now I have a chance. I have a chance to listen to the hopes and goals of my future partners. I am here to find the reliable partners and also to show that we are a trustworthy university.
Perfect. Thank you very much for participating.
Thank you so much.